Breakfast casseroles are a wonderful way to create a flavorful brunch dish, and actually many can be assembled the night before and baked in the morning. However, they do take about 40 minutes to bake. So I wanted to explore the option of making an egg casserole using the convection and microwave speed mode to reduce the cooking time. I chose this recipe for eggs Florentine with mushroom sauce because actually everything can be cooked in microwave mode prior to assembling the casserole. So first I'm going to begin by creating a layer with some English muffins that I've cut into smaller pieces and place them in a lightly greased oven-safe baking dish. And then later on we'll top those with some shredded cheese. So the next step is to microwave the fresh spinach leaves until they're just wilted. It only takes about a minute and a half. In my oven, the recommended setting is 600 watts. Now the next step is to cook the mushrooms in a microwave mode in a large bowl with some butter. Once they've softened and cooked down, we stir in the flour and cook for another minute. Finally, we blend in the milk. So the bechamel sauce was made in the oven, no saucepans necessary. So now I continue cooking the mushroom sauce for a couple of more minutes until the mixture comes to a boil and thickens. So do check the sauce for the seasoning before you continue, but now is when you start to layer in your casserole. Add the spinach, add the cheese and then the spinach, and then pour the mushroom sauce over it. The next thing you want to do is to make some indentations in the dish and crack your eggs into the dish. So now all it needs is a little more time back in the oven. So I'm choosing the combination mode of convection with microwave, and I'm going to set it first of all for 5 minutes because it's the first time I've cooked this in this oven. And I can tell you honestly that it took a good 10 minutes, but it looks delicious, and I'm pretty sure that we'll have no trouble enjoying it. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.